Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. As we all know that the world has been facing a great threat today. Coronavirus disease, in medical term known as COVID-19, is a virus disease caused by the virus named SARS-CoV-2, has threatened the entire world. It spreads in almost 200 countries of the world, and the dangerous thing is there is no vaccine available to kill this virus. Now there are two questions to answer. How our body will react when coronavirus enter into our body, and what should we do? Now, coming to our first query, how COVID-19 will going to affect our body, or how our body is going to react when the virus entered. When the virus entered, it directly affect our lungs. Inside our lungs there are small sacs known as alveoli. These are air-filled sacs, and outside that there are a contact of blood vessels. These vessels get the oxygen which we inhale by breathing, and this oxygen is distributed to all our body. When human body inhale the virus, it creates an inflammation in the lungs, and lungs alarm our immune system. But it will also do some damage to lungs, and our airways will be blocked by thick mucus. The cells which are already damaged by the virus can't save itself and eventually die. But it sends a signal to its neighbor cells that something is going wrong, and that neighbor cells will undergo some signal transducing which ultimately produce antiviral molecules, and these antimolecules will interfere with the viral reproduction process and viral assembly process. So this neurointimacy cell will get a protection from viral activity, and if you have a strong immune system, your body will win against the virus. Now coming to the second and the most important question, what should we do? As there is no vaccine available against this virus, so the World Health Organization suggested some precautionary measures. It is highly recommended that you stay at home and keep social distance from others as possible. The person go outside must wear a surgical mask and gloves. Washing your hand after every 1 or 2 hours will be effective. As we notice that strong immune system is most helpful in fighting this virus, so keep your immunity high by adding some healthy food in your diet. Practice these instructions and shape your family and your life. It is a duty of every citizen of each country, so be responsible and play your role in saving lives. Your small contribution matters a lot.